I made over $1 million last year using the Flywheel Method, and this is the most powerful method for making money that I've ever found. Jeff Bezos even said that using the flywheel was the #1 principle he used to become the world's richest man. So if you're not using the flywheel to make money, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. And I went from working at a corporate job to quitting my job cold turkey, making $0 a day, absolutely no money, to eventually using the methods I'm going to talk about in this video to become a millionaire. And I'm going to share with you all 7 of my different income streams, how I did it, and how you can do it too. And I'm going to share with you at the end of this video what I think is the most powerful stream of income that you can have, the most powerful way that you can make money right now. And the average millionaire has 7 different sources of income, meaning 7 different businesses or 7 different ways that they're making money. And it's important to understand, if you want to become a millionaire, you need to stop trading your time for money. Instead, what you need to do is to build businesses that can make money, and then use tools such as software or hiring virtual assistants to run your business for you, making it so those businesses keep running and keep making you money. This frees up your time so you can go build more businesses that are going to make you money. And if you use the flywheel method that I'll talk about in just a minute, this is going to make it so all your businesses end up making even more money. And the first business that I started, my first income stream, was an e-commerce business. And e-commerce is growing like crazy. If you go to a mall or any kind of in-person store, you can see that it's a lot more empty than it used to be 5, 10, 20 years ago. And the reason for this is more and more people are buying things online, but still only around 16% of all sales happen online. This number, of course, is growing, and why I recommend starting an e-commerce business. Last year in the United States alone, there was almost $1 trillion in e-commerce sales. And the cool thing about starting an e-commerce store is because it's online, you could be anywhere in the world and you can still start an e-commerce store. Or you could be in the United States, start your business, and decide to move to Thailand or South America or wherever you want to go, and you can keep running that business. My first e-commerce company was an online dance clothing store, and I've done a few $1 million in e-commerce sales just with that one business. But eventually we started selling our products on Amazon.com because I had a few friends that were making a ton of money selling products on Amazon. And the reason that I think it's better to sell products on Amazon.com than your own website is Amazon already has over 140 million Prime customers. There's a lot of people going to Amazon to buy products. People also trust Amazon. So if you're selling something on Amazon, they know that if there's an issue, they're going to be able to get their money back. So they're more likely to pull out their credit card and actually purchase your product if it's on Amazon than if it's on your own website. And you can easily start your own e-commerce business using a tool like Shopify or WooCommerce. And both these tools make it extremely easy to start your own online store. And what I found is our dance clothing was selling just as well on Amazon as it was on our own website, except for I'd spent years building this website, doing marketing for this website, trying to get customers to come to this website, and within a couple months, the sales were almost equal on Amazon as they were on our own website. And what makes selling on Amazon so interesting is not only is it a lot easier to get a lot of sales, they have a program called Amazon FBA. And FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. This is a program where you send in all the products that you want to sell on Amazon to Amazon's warehouse. And when you get an order on the Amazon.com website, they actually pick, pack, and ship out the products for you. And by being part of the FBA program, it makes it so that your products are Prime eligible. And if your products are Prime eligible, you're going to get a lot more sales for your products, because people like to buy products that have the little Prime logo on it, because it means that those products are going to get shipped to their house extremely quickly. And around this time, I started my third income stream, which is YouTube. And last year, I made almost $200,000 just in YouTube ads alone. And I will talk about how I use the flywheel principle in just a minute, so stay with me. But it's important to remember that we are in what's called a knowledge and entertainment economy right now. If you have information that can help other people, starting a YouTube channel, a TikTok, or sharing your knowledge on social media is going to help a lot of people. And the real way to make a lot of money is to help a lot of people. And this is where the explanation of the flywheel starts. A flywheel is a device that's really hard to get the wheel to start spinning. But once you start getting the wheel spinning, it'll spin faster and faster and faster. And when I first started my YouTube channel, I had one business. And I took what I learned from that business and I started sharing it on my YouTube channel. This is not a flywheel. This, however, is a flywheel, and it's the way that Jeff Bezos became the world's richest man. You can see that because Amazon sells their products online, it means that they're going to have a lower cost structure because they don't have to pay for all the different buildings and employees and things like that, which means lower prices for the customer, which leads to a better customer experience. And Amazon having a better customer experience means that they're going to get more customers, there's going to be more traffic to their website. And since Amazon's going to have a lot of customers that come to buy things on their website, that's going to make it so that people selling products are going to want to sell their products on Amazon, which leads to a lot of sellers. If you have a lot of sellers on Amazon, that means they're probably going to offer all kinds of different products, which means an even higher selection of products that these customers can buy, which leads to a better customer experience. And you can see that over time, Amazon's going to grow and grow and grow. Now, the key is, how can you create your own flywheel? And I'll show you how I did it. The next business I started was another Amazon business. Because I was already having success with my first e-commerce business, I decided to create another one, but to learn from the mistakes that I made with my first e-commerce business. And specifically what I realized is I wanted to create a product to sell on Amazon that I was actually passionate about. I didn't care about dance clothing, I didn't understand dance clothing, I just saw that the numbers made sense and that I could make some money by starting a dance clothing company. However, by creating a passion product, I was able to start a company that I actually understood, that I actually cared about. And within 2 months of launching this product on Amazon, I was making over $10,000 per month profit. In my first year selling this product on Amazon, I did over $100,000 in profit. And that led to another income stream. But something really special happened, because as I started talking about my Amazon business on my YouTube channel, I started getting more sales for my business because people would watch me talk about this company and they'd go and buy the product, which allowed me to make more and better YouTube videos about my Amazon company. And as my YouTube channel grew, it allowed me to add another stream of income, which is affiliate marketing. And last year I made another couple $100,000 in affiliate marketing. And this is one of the easiest ways I've found to make money online. But for those that don't know, affiliate marketing is basically where you promote someone else's product or service and they give you a kickback every time you refer a sale to their company. So for example, I'm an affiliate of Shopify, and if you use my link to sign up for your own Shopify website, I get a small kickback from Shopify. But the important thing about being an affiliate is you don't have to just be an affiliate for one company, you can also be an affiliate for the competition. So I'm also an affiliate for WooCommerce, which is a competitor to Shopify, so I can make a video and I can talk about both these platforms and I don't really care which one you sign up for. And this allows me to create content showing people how to start an online business, and I can say step number 3 is to start your own online store with either Shopify or WooCommerce, links down below. Now the problem with affiliate marketing is it doesn't really help with my flywheel, but it's a good way for me to make some extra money. But my next income stream, consulting, does help with the flywheel because people hire me to look at their business, to give them some advice, which allows me to get more expertise, which allows me to create better YouTube videos, which then makes it so I have more credibility, meaning that more people want to hire me for consulting. But the problem with consulting is you're trading your time for money, and you only have so many hours in the day. And that's why I created my 7th income stream, which is probably my most powerful income stream, and that is selling programs online. And I had people hiring me at $500 an hour to teach them how to set up an Amazon business step by step. And this was a waste of my time because every time someone would hire me, I'd be teaching them the same information that I taught the last person. So I decided to record all this information and sell it as a package that included some one-on-one calls with me, as well as weekly group coaching. This allowed me to save a lot of time, and it made it so my customers were saving a lot of money. And this led to another income stream, and that is partnering and investing in students in my Amazon FBA program. And one person that I partnered with is AJ, and he lost his job as a bartender during the pandemic. And he wanted to turn his love for cocktails and bartending into a product that he could sell on Amazon and make money even when the bars are closed. And I helped him to create this product, and he ended up doing over $100,000 in pre-sales on Indiegogo before he spent any money on actually manufacturing his product. He was able to pay for all his startup costs by using Indiegogo. Then 3 months ago, he launched this product on Amazon, and he's done over $150,000 in sales in just 3 months. So you can see now that my flywheel is I have a YouTube channel where I teach people about how to sell products online. Then people join my program to learn how to sell products on Amazon, which creates more content for my YouTube channel because the people that join my program and have success, I interview them on this channel, which leads to more people watching my YouTube channel, which leads to more people joining my Amazon FBA program. On top of that, as a lot of people join my program, it gives me an opportunity to partner with some of these people, which leads to even bigger success stories, which leads to even better content for my YouTube channel, and the flywheel continues to grow and grow and grow. And that's why, to me, it almost doesn't matter how you start to make money. The important part is to think about how can you leverage that business to make another business even more successful. And I personally think that starting an Amazon business is one of the easiest ways for beginners to make money online. And I have real Amazon FBA success and failure stories in this playlist right here. And in these videos, I have real people sharing what their actual products that they're selling on Amazon are, including how much revenue they're doing, all their different business expenses, and their final profit. So click on that playlist to see how real people are making money by selling products on Amazon.